guys, welcome to my channel. And if you are using any copyright images in your website or in your blog, then stop using it, because it can give you a legal action from the government. Okay, so in US, if you are sitting in US and UK and in developed countries, I guess, then you might get a legal action on you, and basically you have to pay the price for using that image. Even in recent times, most of them who used these kind of images that are copyright protected have to pay thousands of dollars to just get rid of from the legal. Okay, so first let me tell you how to know if that image is copyright. Okay, so here I am on Google Images. Okay, so the best platform to search for images is Google Images, and other platforms like Pixabay and other free copyright free sources, but for me it's Google Images. Goldfish. So guys, basically those images coming from Wikipedia directly, they are also copyright, I guess. So I have searched goldfish, and from there you have to click from tools and then user rights to Creative Commons license. Here most people do mistakes, that they think Creative Commons license is used to give free access, and you can probably use all the images where it is written Creative Commons license, but there is a catch in those images. Let me give you example of commons.wiki.org, and here if you see an image, this is where they show the license. Okay, so you can you will know which license this image has. Okay, so the attribution share alike 4.0 international. So this image has a license of share alike 4.0. Okay, so in that image you can share that image, copy, redistribute. Okay, you can even mix the image, transform, build upon material. Okay, but for using that image for free, you have to give the attribution to the original owner. Okay, so without this you can't use the image. Okay, so this is the catch you should note. Okay, and never use a image that is from other websites. Okay, just like picreco.com, this image, it has also a license. It is protected from a license. Let's check the license. So it is on. Okay, this can be used. Okay, so this license is actually free, the public domain certification, and it can be used by you. Okay, so these type of license that are public domain, that has public domain certification, can be used actually. So let me give you another example. I use only Pixabay images, so they have the this license called public domain certification. So here the creative the owner they don't know the owner, or the owner have maybe lose the rights, or have shared this, or maybe retired. Okay, so those images with the public domain certification can be used freely without giving attribution. And in the last I will tell you about how to give attribution to an image, so be patient and let's move to some other images. Okay, so I have talked about PicRepo and Pixabay. I only use Pixabay and commons.wikipedia.org. These two are the sources. Okay, if you don't want to give the attribution, then search for an image which has a license of public domain certification. Okay, or I don't believe other websites other than Pixabay, cause they can change license anytime. Pixabay is a big site, and it is from years old, so I don't think they will do that. Okay, it is popular for free copyright images. Okay, so if you want to use an image, okay, so how will you give attribution to that image? So let's say I want to use Wikipedia Commons image. Okay, these are the images Wikipedia provide free to use. Okay, it has Creative Commons license. Okay, so let's go first to their actual license image. Okay, that original image page. Okay, so this is the image. You can download it, save it. Okay, and those people who download it directly and does not check what's the copyright law here, you have to check it, because every image has a license, and you can't use it without giving them attribution. Okay, so you can free to share remix, okay, copy work, but under the following contribution you have to give them credit, provide link for, okay, so you have to give them attribution. Okay, so I don't change the image, remix it. Okay, so I don't have to follow this one, but I have to follow this one. Okay, so I have to give the attribution, or how this image owner name is Saurav GG8. Okay, this is the owner. Here is the image. Here is the time when he uploaded this image. These are the dimensions of the image. Okay, so you have to give this man a credit of this image. So how will you do that? So first download this image. Okay, if you have downloaded, then here you will see use this image on the web, right? And here you can see attribution column. And guys, believe me, this video is not published by anyone on YouTube, but I know. Okay, so only one person I have seen who have posted this, but does not explain that clearly, that you have to select the HTML also, so that it can become this type of link, okay, and this type of link. Okay, if you don't, I also think that what I say here you have should not believe. Okay, so let me search for you in Google, how to give attribution to an image. Okay, let's see, guys. First, the image should have a Creative Commons license. Okay, then copy the image, paste it, upload it on your website or anywhere, where you want to publish, and then follow this thing. This you have to write the name of the image, by who have uploaded the image, the original author, and license, which license under this image is. Okay, so this format, this I'm showing, this format is from when you click HTML, this format will become like this. Okay, so do you have to directly copy this image, and this will become something like this. Let me show you. HTML editor online. I'm showing you guys everything live, so you don't have to okay guys, so wait here, this is source code, but there is no good HTML editor, man. See guys, the name of the person, copyright owner, via Wiki Commons. This is the way you will be giving credits to the owner. Okay, this section, this owner name, you will be redirect to this page, this one, where anyone can see the original author and about original author and what is his images. Okay, here you will see. Okay, so even the original author has no problem when you are giving him a credit. Okay, so this is the way you will be giving attribution to a image. Okay, see, if you can add the license also, you can also add the license here. Okay, let me show you something. This image has a license of this one, share alike license. Okay, this one. I can even okay, this is given, actually license is given. Okay, so this is how you will give attribution to any image. Okay, so let's move to the image which I am searching. So guys, I think you should stay away from the copyright images. Okay, and only use Creative Commons images and give them proper attribution, so you don't have to get a legal action on your website. Okay, so use these images. Now I don't see these images can follow even PX Fuel, OpenClipArt, PicPic, PicRepo, PixNeox, Crazilla, NeatPix, PX. Here, these are all new platforms where images are getting published in Creative Commons license, but who knows when they will change the license to restricted one, or change the Creative Commons to private label license. Okay, so you should not use these platform images. And make sure to use Pixabay or Common. In Pixabay you don't have to use don't have to give attribution. Mostly whenever you find an image from here, in Pixabay site, okay, from Pixabay, this image is coming from Pixabay. Okay, So whenever you find any image from Pixabay, must check the license details. Okay, mostly it was public domain certification, so you should not don't have to include attribution. Okay, because there is no attribution owner. But in this image there is attribution owner, there is a owner of this image, so you have to give them. Okay, like this one. So subscribe, like, share. If you don't share, that's it. No problem. Okay, thank you guys.